Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your search history on Google Chrome. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to clear or delete your Google search history, first open up your Google Chrome. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see. And now to delete your Google Chrome, either you can go to here, which is the click on the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen on Google Chrome. You can see customize and control Google Chrome displaying itself. Click over there and you can see the history option available over here, and click on history, or simply press Ctrl and X button on your keyboard, or simply press Ctrl and S button like this to go to your stories. And after that, you can see all these stories which you searched on Google. Now if you want to clear your browsing data or your search history on Google, you can see the clear browsing data option available over here. Click over there on top left corner of the screen, and after that you can see you can choose the time range of the period of the search history you want to delete, and click on over here. Either you want to delete the search history of previous 24 hours or 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. It's on you. For me, it will be last hour. You can choose it yourself, and you can see which one of these you don't want to wipe out from your Google cookies, cached images and files. You can see advanced over here. If you don't want your password to be logged into the Google, you can see password option available over here. Click over there, autofill all these, and clear data option is available over here on the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Click on clear data, and there guys, we have successfully deleted the search history of Google. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.